back. So I'm super excited to share this video with you today because it's a process of creating instructional video with one of my favorite ed tech tools, and it's called mmhmm. Now right now, mmhmm is available in beta for MacBooks, and you can request an invite, and there's talk of this coming down the road to PCs, even in a mobile environment. What I'm showing you right now is the mmhmm interface on my MacBook. So as you can see down below, what I've done is added 4 slides. Now what I tend to use is Google Slides to build my content. So I've worked in Google Slides, exported those slides as image files. You can do them one by one, or I use an add-on called Slides Toolbox to export them all as kind of one zipped file, drag them into mmhmm. So what I have the ability to do now, I can reorder my slides. I can kind of click through them to show the different ideas that I might be referring to. But here's my kind of favorite part of this tool, is that now I have the ability to record with the mmhmm app, having myself small and kind of pushed off to the side. I can make myself bigger if I want. Now I can record this as an MP4, and that's totally reasonable. I'll have an MP4 that I can upload to YouTube or drop into Google Drive and add it to Google Classroom. But I think this option here is really interesting, of interactive recording. So I'm going to go through the process of making a video right now with mmhmm, and then saving that as an interactive recording and show you what that experience is going to be like for your students. And the reason why I think this could be so powerful is it's going to give them the ability to navigate the video at their own pace when they're ready to, kind of on demand, and they're going to be able to jump through that experience as they see fit and kind of make you available and then hide you when they don't need to see you anymore. So let's kind of get in the process of building, and then I'll show you a final product. So we're going to use my built-in mic. Let's get started. So here we are. Welcome to this first live interactive video that I'm building with the mmhmm app. So as you can see up here, here's a kind of chart that I might use with some schools when thinking about going online. Not really worried about the content right now. Here's another really helpful kind of screenshot from a Global Online Academy article, some ideas around designing high quality online instruction. A helpful kind of reference from a professor at Vanderbilt, Derek Bruff, who kind of gives us some thinking about online learning. And then the last one here, and I'll move myself out of the way just to demo what's possible, this kind of helpful graph to think about where your class might fall online. So I just wanted some placeholder content back there, nothing super critical that we want to get into today. But here's what I love about this idea. As I've jumped through the slides and I'm going back to slide 1, I can make myself a little bit bigger when I'm using the mmhmm app, so I can maybe emphasize a point I need to make. When I'm done with that point, I can make myself smaller. I might change corners really quickly. I even have the option as the presenter to make myself a little more transparent if I want to be there, but not kind of overwhelm what's happening on in the slides. I'll go back to the presenter mode, bring myself 100% again, and there I am. So I'll make myself a little bit bigger, and then jump to another concept, and there I am. Again, if I need to move where I am to emphasize a point, I can do that. Now, this isn't being recorded as an MP4. This is being recorded as like an mmhmm app, kind of interactive video, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So I'm going to stop the recording now within the app. That's going to save and upload. So let me create my profile here. Call this live demo. Interactive video live demo, and let's upload that. So while that's uploading, we'll take a quick break and we'll jump back in and I'll show you the final product. I think these kind of interactive videos from mmhmm are so powerful. So as you can see here, when you're done creating and uploading, they generate a link for your video, and your link is uploaded to mmhmm. I don't have any details about where that's going or how to log in to get back to it. I can't quite find that page yet, but I'll check in with them to see what's going on. But here's the idea. If you look on the timeline of the video I made, there's little breaks every time I advance to a new slide. So a student could start this video, and I'll hit play in the video down below. Let's get started.
So while that video is playing right now, notice that the student can advance to another section.
Here's another really helpful.
It jumps right to that portion in the video, and I'll turn this down a bit. I'll advance again. So while the student's watching, they might advance to a section that they really need to focus on. So I can advance with these arrow keys. I can make the presenter go away if I want to. I can bring the presenter back or even make them transparent. And this is all from the end user, from the student watching this back. And if I'm looking through the slides here that were referenced, I might go, oh, I really need to explore that idea. I click, it brings me right to that section. The student can watch it.
And then the last one here, I'll move myself out of the way.
Right, and I can say I don't need to see the instructor right now. I want the instructor back. I can pause that, click to watch it back, go back to a previous idea, and it jumps right there. So like, I think there's so much potential with these kind of live interactive videos. I'm really looking forward to see how they kind of upgrade the account and the experience, and if this stays as a free feature, if it goes premium. I'm kind of not quite sure where it's going. But if you can, grab a beta invite to and start making these kind of clickable, self-guided, student kind of driven experience videos. So good luck creating. I've made some other videos with so check those out on my channel as well. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. So thanks again for checking it out, and I'll see you soon.